So I have this, so I got this Tecumseh right here on this Craftsman push bar, and it just run and quit. So these Tecumsehs, they have a main jet, and you have your large main nozzle hole right there down by the head of the bolt, which you can see straight through this one. It's stuck some trash up in it. It was clear, but you have that big center hole right there. Actually, that one is kind of clear. But up here around the threads, let me get that washer off. You have another tiny hole right there. So I'm going to show you all how to clean this thing out, and hopefully this thing will run. This bowl's got some garbage in it, as you can see, so that wasn't helping it none. So I'll spray that out off camera. But the way you clean these is you have to take a really thin wire, and this is repair tag wire. And what we're going to do is put this right through here, clean that out, and then we'll go up here to this itty bitty tiny hole right here. We're going to clean it out. Now down inside there, you have a main jet, which, see right there's your main jet. So we're going to clean it out, and you can see the wire going right down through there. See it? So now that is clear. That is clear. Top one's clear. The inside's clear. Now I'm going to go spray that bowl off. You want to make sure your sealing washer, not sealing like above you, sealing as in S-E-A-L. That's your sealing washer. It keeps it from leaking gas. So I want you to go spray that bowl out off camera so I don't wreck my camera. And yeah, but this is just standard repair tag wire. If you go to your local lawnmower shop and ask them for a repair tag, they'll have this wire on it. Some will give them to you, some won't. Just depends on the shop. I give them out all the time. Anyways, I'm going to go clean this bowl out and then put this thing back together and see if it runs. Now, we're going to put this float bowl back on. Now I got it nice and clean. Now on these Tecumsehs, you have to put this bowl on a certain way. So you see this lower spot and then this raised spot. You see how the float falls. So you want to put this lowered spot, see here, this is the low spot, to where the float falls. So it goes on just like that, because you put it on the other way, upside down as I call it, the float won't fall. Hopefully this gasket's good, it does not leak. It's a real fun to change. It's a 1/2 inch to get to this bowl nut. I'm using a wrench, you can use a ratchet. I didn't feel like using a ratchet. These can be real tricky to get a wrench on. Alright, let's put it down and see if it runs. If it don't run, I'll take the carburetor off and clean out the jets. But 9 out of 10 times, that's all that's wrong, is trash is in the bottom of that float bowl, and it sucks it up in that main jet nozzle, because this is your main jet. That bowl nut's your main jet on these Tecumsehs. And what happens, trash gets sucked into there and it clogs it up and it's not going to run. But I'm going to set this thing down and see if it'll run. So it's got a little trash in the grass and water. And on the left, it's running pretty darn good. Like I said, 9 out of 10 times, it's going to be that bottom bowl nut on these Tecumsehs that keep you from running. And it's a quick and easy fix. And, yeah, so now, this one's got the, what what's called the Tecumseh oil leak. What happens is this little gasket down here goes bad. There's a little tiny O-ring on this dipstick. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, but there's a little tiny O-ring on that dipstick, and it goes bad, and a little bit of oil comes out. You just have to keep an eye on the oil. This thing here is not that old. It's from 2002 or so. Yeah, 02. I say it's not that old, but it's 18 years old. Or not 18, 17. No, 16. I don't know. It's from 2002. I can't think right now. It's too early. But I'm going to change the oil, change the plug. It's already got a new blade on it because someone had the wrong blade on it. Then we'll clean out the air filter. And for those of you who do this, find mowers on the side of the road or dig them out of dumpsters like I do, always service it. Change the oil, change the plug, change the blade, check the pull rope. Parts are cheap. Anyways, that's how you fix the Tecumseh that won't run.